morning everyone. I hope that you are fit and fine. Children, in the previous class I told you about what is a scratch and components of the scratch window. I hope you watched the video carefully. In today's class I am going to tell you about creating a new project, saving a project, opening a project, moving the sprite, adding sound, repeating steps, changing the look, color and size of the sprite, and using the keyboard. So without wasting your much time, let us start today's class. Open page number 101. Creating a new project. How you create a new project? What is the step? The first step is click on the file menu. Click on the file menu. You can see on the screen. Click on the file menu. Then choose the new options. A new project opens up. After that, click on new options. A new project will be open. Right? I repeat once again. To create a new project, the first step is click on the file menu. Then second step is choose the new options. A new project open up. Click on the new options. A new project will be open. Now, saving a project. To save a project, you should follow the step which is given on page number 102. Step 1 is click on the file menu. Then step 2, choose the save option. The save project dialog box appears. Student, here I have already told you that I am using Scratch 3.18.1 version, and in your book it is given Scratch 2.0. So there are some difference between both versions. When you click file menu in Scratch 2, then you find new, open, save as options. But when you click on the file menu in Scratch 3 version, then in place of open options you find load from your computer, and in place of save option you find save to your computer option. Right? I hope you understand. I want to say that in Scratch 2 version, when you click on the file menu, then new, open, save as options will appear. But when you click on file menu, then you find load from your computer in place of open options and save to your computer in place of save option. So rest step is the same. So click on the file menu to save your project. Step 1 is click on the file menu. Then if you are using Scratch 2 version, then you click on save options, and if you are using Scratch 3 version, then you should click on save to your computer option. Then save project dialog box will be open. Step 3, select the folder in which you want to save the project. First of all, select the folder from in which you want to save your project. Right now on desktop. Then step 4, specify the file name. Then click on the save button. Right? I repeat once again. To save a project, the first step is click on the file menu. Then click on the save to your computer option if you are using Scratch version 3, and click on save option if you are using Scratch version 2. After that, save as dialog box will be open. Step 3, select the folder in which you want to save the project, and after that step 4, give your project name, and step 5, click on the save button. Your project will be saved. Right? I hope you understand. Now page number 103, opening a project. How you open a project? Step 1 is click on the file menu again, then click on the open options if you are using Scratch version 2, or if you are using Scratch version 3, then click on the load from your computer, right? Then open dialogs box appear, then select the folder in which the project is saved, then select the project name, then click on the open options, right? I repeat once again how you open a saved program. First step is click on the file menu, then click on load from your computer options or simple open options. Open dialogs box will be appear. Select the folder in which project is saved, then select the project, and last click on open options. Yeah, this is my project. Okay. Now programming Sprite. You can program a sprite to do various actions. Means you can assign a program on a sprite to perform different types of action, just like move the sprite, turn the sprite, go to the sprite option, right? Let us learn how we program a sprite. Moving the sprite. You can move or turn the sprite around through different angles by using the blocks in the motion block category. If you want to move the sprite, or if you want to turn the sprite, then you should use block which is given on the motion block category. How we move the sprite, how we turn the sprite, let's see what is the step. Step 1. Click on the motion block category in the block palette. You can see this is a block palette and this is the motion block category. Click on the motion block category. Then drag move 10 steps from the block palette. Step 2. Drag the block, move 10 steps in the to the script area, right? By default, the move block has 10 steps as the value. By default, sprite will move 10 steps, but if you want to change the steps, then you should change the value as per your choice. Change the step value to any other number. Click on the block. You will notice that sprite moves the specified number of steps. Click on the block. You can see on the screen when I am clicking on the block, then sprite will move this side. Right now, sprite will move 10 steps. Right? If you want to move sprite 20 steps, then you should change the value. Click on this blank white area and type the value. Now see the effect. Sprite will move 20 steps right now. Okay, I hope you understand. I repeat once again. To move the sprite, click on the motion categories, then choose the motion of your choice. Right now I am choosing move 10 step. Click on the block and drag it to the script area. This is the script area. Then when you click on this block, then this sprite will move to the 10 step. Look, by default sprite will move 10 step, but you can change it as per your choice. 30. Right now sprite will move on. Sprite will move to the to 30 step. Right? You can see on the screen. You can see here. Sprite will move. Okay. Now step 3. Now drag the turn clockwise block You can also turn the sprite, click turn 50-degree block and drag it to the script area, right? By default, the angle of turning value is 15. By default, the angle of turning value is 15. You can see here, by default, sprite will move 15 degree, but if you want to change it, then you can do this. When you click on this block, you can see here, right? Sprite will move according to value which is given here, right? 180 degree. Right? I hope you understand. So in this way, you can move the sprite. I repeat once again, if you want to move the sprite, wait a minute. If you want to move the sprite, then click on the motion block categories, then drag the motion as per your choice to the sprite script area and change the value if you want. When you click on the block, then sprite will move according to the value which is given in here, right? Right? Now, next topic is adding sound. You can make the sprite say words or play sound by using various blocks in the sound block category. You can also give sound effect to the sprite, right? How we give the sound effect? The step 1 is click on the sound block category in the block palette. Click on the sound block categories below the motion looks. Third option is sound categories. Click on the sound categories, then drag the play drum block from the block palette to the script area. Drag any block to the script area and change the drum type and the drum number of beats. Click on the block, you will notice that the sprite plays the sound. Click here to, you can hear the sound, it is muse, right? You can change the sprite. If you change the sprite, then sound will be different. Have a look. Now you can see the sound, you can hear the sound, right? When I select cat sprite, then sound will be different. And when we select speaker, then sound will be different. So in this way, you can give the sound effect to the sprite, right? I hope you understand. I repeat once again, if you want to give a sound effect to a sprite, click on the sound block category from the block palette, this one, and drag the types of a sound to the script area, right? And when you click on this block, sound will sound will be played. Like this, okay? I hope you understand. Now, repeating steps. You can repeat action of a stack of blocks by making use of various blocks in the control block category. Means if you want that sprite will perform action repeatedly, then Scratch will provide too many options to repeat the action. All the repeating blocks is present on the is present in the control block categories, right? I want to say that if you want to perform any actions repeatedly again and again. If you want that any action perform again and again, then you should do the same by choosing the different repeating style which is present in the control block categories, right? The first repeating style is forever block. The forever block runs the block inside it over and over again, right? Means if you want that action will repeat until you click the stop button, right? If you want that action will repeat until you click the stop button, then what is the step? Step 1 is click on the control block in the block palette. Click on the control block in the block palette. This is the control block. Click on the control. Then drag the forever block from the block palette to the script area. This is a forever block. Click and drag it to the script area. Then step 3. Click on the motion block in the blocks palette. Click on the motion block in the block palette. Step 4. Drag the move block from the block palette to the script area. Click and drag the move step from the block palette to the script area, right? And drop this action inside the forever block. Drag, place this block, place the action which you want to repeat inside the forever block, like this. Step 5. Drag the turn block from the block palette to the script area. This is a turn block. Drag the turn block to the script area and drop it inside the forever block after the move block. Place this block inside the forever block below the, like this. Beta, I want to say first, if you want to repeat any action until you press the stop button, the first step is click on the control category, and from the control categories drag the forever block, right, to the script area. When you place the forever block to the script area, then place all the actions which you want to repeat inside the forever block, right? Place the action which you want to repeat inside the forever option, like this, right? Now click on the block. You will notice the sprite repeats the movement and turning action. When you click on the block, you can see here, when we click forever block, you can see on the action, you can see on the screen, sprite will move and turn again and again until we press this red flag, right? I repeat once again. Click on the forever blocks. You can see on the screen, sprite will move and turn till, if you want to stop the sprite, then click on the red flag, right? I repeat once again. Forever block is used to move the sprite, is used to repeat the action until we press the stop button. How we use forever block? Click on the control block and drag the forever block to the script area. After that, place the action which you want to repeat inside the forever block. Click on the forever block to see the effect. And if you want to stop the sprite, if you want to stop the action, then click on the red flag. I hope you understand. Now Next repeating step is repeat block. Repeat block runs the block inside it a specified number of time. Right? Repeat block is used to repeat any action to a specified number of times, to a limited number of time which you set. Right? For our block, repeat the action again and again until we press the stop button. But repeat block runs the blocks inside it to a specified number of times. Right? How we use the repeat block? Let's see. First step is click on the control category from the block palette and choose repeat. Click repeat block and drag it to the script area like this. Next, click on the motion category and choose and drag to the, click on the move steps to the script area and place it inside the repeat block. Then click on the turn block and drag to the script area and place it also inside the repeat block below the move command like this. Click on the block to see the effect. You can see Sprite will move 10 times, like 10 times. Right? If you want to change the repetition, then click on the white editable area on the repeat block, put the value of your choice and click outside the block. Click on the stock to see the effect. Right? I hope you understand. Now